Hey guys, today we are gonna install my Fox 3638 integrated mudguard. I just got it today from the mail, so I'm excited to install it. Okay, on my bike YT Capra Elite. It's 29er. Check this out. Fox 3638 fork mudguard. And let's go see how it looks. I have it right here in the box. And it looks like this. Came in the mail today. It was pretty good. It was pretty turnaround time. By the way, guys, if you guys don't if you guys order it, it's actually sold out everywhere, but I found it through the Lost Company. So what you do is you input your email address and they'll notify you once it's back in stock. So here it is. It's pretty simple. It says Fox on it and it just comes like that. So guys, I'm ready to install it. It came with these two screws right here and the mudguard that goes right here. The two screws actually go on top over there. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. So you're gonna need just two tools. Socket wrench. This is a size 13 and an Allen wrench, so you could screw the screw onto the bike. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to loosen this counterclockwise, so that way this thing can come off, and make sure you do the other side as well. Slowly take it out. And basically it looks like this. So what I did was, because this thing is super hard to take out, I took a little cutter and I just put it right in the middle, and I was able to take out the spacers. Or I think this is a washer. So take that out because you're gonna replace it with the mudguard. So now we're gonna be mounting the Fox integrated mudguard. So it just goes right here. It has all the proper holes, so all you have to do is just screw it back in. And let's go ahead and do that. So before anything else, we have to screw this back on. Don't tighten them up yet. Make sure that you actually put it on properly. Make sure it screws there well, and then now you can tighten them. So let's go ahead and take a look at these two. They're both screwed in there now. Looks pretty nice. Now we just gotta get these two screws over here so that way they can be bolted tightly. And by the way, when you screw it back on, just make sure it's 5 Newton meters. Okay, that's 5 Newton meters, so that way it's not too tight. So be careful with that. So now we're about to screw this to the bike, the other screw, and just make sure you put it there really nice and neat. Make sure it screws on properly. So just not super tight, but just the right amount of force. Okay. As you can see, I bolted it in there. And now it's the time to tighten up the sockets, the right and the left. You just gotta do this clockwise to tighten it, and that should do the trick. Not too tight, but 5 Newton meters is good. Now we'll do the other side. Make sure it's tight. Alright, and there you have it, folks. It's bolted on the top here, 2 screws, and the wrench on both sides right here. You've got to use the socket wrench for that, and it looks pretty nice. There you go. This is on a YT Capra Elite 29. Shout out to the Lost company for expediting my Fox mudguard. I thought I wasn't gonna get it until 2 months ago, but they actually shipped it to me really quick. So once again, that's the Fox 3638 fork mudguard integrated. Oh, and before I forget, make sure you keep these 2 washers or spacers, whatever you call them. That way, in the event that you sell your mudguard, you can put it back on. Okay? And that should do it. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you comment down below, and I can assist you with where to get the Fox mudguard right away. And I will see you soon.